Hello traders, my name is Akin King. I'm the lead instructor from KinFX Academy. So we are going to go on a trade soon because this strategy is trying to give us a signal now. So I'm waiting for the entry before I put on the trade. You understand? So this strategy consists of two indicators. You can see at the indicator window that is we have our MACD, and you can see on the main chart that we have Bollinger bounce. You understand? So as Bollinger bands work, we have upper band, we have middle band, and we have lower band. You understand? So and we have two ways of trading with Bollinger bands. We have squeeze and we have bounce. You understand? So I've dropped this video and explained different way to trade with Bollinger bands under this channel. So I don't know if you are, but that doesn't really matter about this strategy. So I'm going to tell you how the strategies work. The strategy works on boom and crash. You understand? So this is how it goes. The market is on the lower band now. I want to scalp crash 1000. So, and the MACD is still selling, telling us it's still below the level zero. You understand? But there's something that the MACD is telling us. MACD is telling us, it's showing us the deceleration in this downtrend. You understand? So you can see that the line is dropping while the market is going up after touching the lower band. You understand? What are those confluence telling us? The confluence is telling us that the buyers are are getting in control after this downtrend, the spike upon. So the buyers are entering the market back. So how do we join the buyers now? So we'll be waiting for the market for this MACD to cross above the level zero. You understand? So we are waiting for MACD to cross above the level zero. Once we see the MACD to cross on level zero, then we please put on our own buy tool to join the buy gang. You understand? So we are going to be patiently waiting for us to see a line cross above the level zero, then we put on a buy immediately. So that is going to happen in few seconds now because we have seen this deceleration to this point. So the next thing is for us to see a signal upward, and our confluence has already met. The condition is if the price come to the lower band and it started moving up, and then we see a signal above the level zero. So let's patiently wait for this candle to close, then we put on this buy trade. You understand? So let's see. um After the close of this candle, we have seen our entry now, so we put on a buy. So let me enter like four position. Okay, let me add one more position. So we are going to count let's see, we are going to count like five candles, or if the market touches the middle band. You understand? So we are going to assess the trade. You understand? Just stick to the end of this video so that you can get every information that you need with this strategy. You understand? So you can't just assume. So you may have seen something like this before or relative to this, but you have to listen to every condition of every strategy. So every strategy has its own rules. We don't assume when trading. You understand? So that is why you have to be very patient with the rules that are attached to each strategy. So let me quickly explain. Let's do some back testing with the strategy as our trade is going on. You can see that the price come to the lower band here, and this is reducing like we just see, and we see the signal from this place. The signal happen from this place, then the five candle is counted from here to here, or when it touches the middle band, exits the trade. You make your money and exit the trade. This strategy is very straightforward. Like, it doesn't require much um analysis before you put on a trade, so it doesn't give you much headache before you put on a trade. So same thing happen here. You can see it touched the lower band, the deceleration began. So then you see your signal, you put on your trade here. You see, and count your five candle or more, or just exit when it touches the middle band. You understand? So that is the safest place to exist, because anything can happen when the price touches the middle band. Anything can happen. So or you just count your five candle. We call it scalping, and this is 1 minute time frame. 1 minute time frame doesn't hold a trend for long. That is sometimes people say there's a lot of noise on 1 minute time frame. The reason is because trends change easily on 1 minute time frame. So and every pattern form very fast on 1 minute time frame. So that is why some people don't like trading on 1 minute time frame. So but if you are good at scalping and you have your entry intact, so you should be able to trade in no time and get the money you want to get out of the market. So we are not staying for long in the market. So the market is not anybody's property. So just have to get whatever you want to get and come out of the market. So I'm waiting for the five candles. So for the sake of this video, so I'm going to close that. So pending that time, so let me go to the boom and explain the boom too. So this is boom. You understand? So we are using lower band on the crash. So we are going to be using upper band boom. So this is upper band. So once market touches the upper band and we see the signal, so we enter for sell. You understand? So we are using upper band on boom. So just like here. So you patiently wait. You can see what happened here. That this place has not give the signal, but it has touches the upper band and is selling. So far you waited for so far you wait for this signal, you will escape this spike and re-enter back here, and this will give you the entry. So you have to patiently wait for the um magnet to give you the signal, and make sure that you see that the price touches the upper band. That is very very important. You can see that this place now there's no signal on magnet, so don't assume that signal is going to come. That's why I say wait for every condition to meet up. You can see this place a very good one, and you see your signal, you enter for sale. So let's see our trade on the price 1000. So 1 2 1 2 3 4 5, so five candle has complete. So I'm going to close the trade. So you can go to your own account to demo trade or back test, then go on the live trade. So I'm closing this. You can see this profit. Though it's because of the lot size I use. Trading is all about loss. So the amount of time you use to cash $1 or 0.2, another person can use it to make 1000. So that depends on the lot size and the size of your account. So size of my account allow me to use that lot. So if you are trading below $30, so don't try using more than 0.2. Highest is 0.5. That means you are risking high. So guys, I wish you happy trading. Always trade responsibly. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. You understand? So I wish you happy trading. Sorry, I remember I forgot to show you the settings. So the video has not complete without showing you the settings of the indicator. So the Bollinger band is period 20, deviation is 2.000, shift is 0, apply to close, start 4%. So that is that. You can take screenshots, click on done. The MACD is period is fast MA is 3, slow MA is 5, MACD SMA is 13. So apply to close. So main is 3 pixels. Signal, you don't need the signal, so just use the background color of your chart, then click on done after that. So that is all. So you have the settings to that on your chart.